Kita mulai ya Pak ya, Bapak dan Ibu. Okay, good. Now we will discuss again, yeah. Try to brush up information about skill 1. In skill 1, at the previous meeting, we talked that skill 1 is a restatement, ya. Restatement itu ya mengenai ini nulis parafrase, harus parafrase seperti itu. Artinya di dalam skill ini we have to choose answer with synonym, not exactly the same sound, not exactly the same word, like the word is a speaker in audio. Ya, artinya jangan persis sama. Nah, itu adalah kesalahan yang paling sering dilakukan oleh peserta TOEFL. Jadi kalau seumpamanya kita dengar di audionya ada chair, pasti kita cari pilihannya yang chair, ya. Padahal itu bisa dipastikan bahwa itu salah, ya. Itu disebut dengan distractor, ya. Jadi saya ingatkan lagi ya. Jadi choose answer with synonym, kemudian avoid similar sound, kemudian the answer is in form of paraphrase or restatement. Okay, now we will get into the exercise on the first skill about the restatement. Ibu dan Bapak tolong persiapkan modulnya ya. Saya akan memperdengarkan audio. Setelah memperdengarkan audio, maka akan ada soal ya. Setelah soal akan saya hentikan audionya dan kita akan bahas jawabannya apa. Ya, baik. Nah, sebentar. Nah, ini saya juga tulis di sini ininya ya, apa soalnya, tapi Ibu dan Bapak juga sudah punya di sana di oh, sorry. Saya ini agak gaptek ya. Nah, oke. Kita akan di exercise 1 and 2.
Listening Part A, TOEFL Exercise 1. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should look for restatements of key ideas in the second line. Number 1. How was the dance last night?
We had such a good time.
What does the woman mean?
Oke. Apa katanya, Bu? Apa katanya? Aduh, kenapa kecepatan saya jadi kaget katanya gitu.
Iya,
The dance was fun.
Ya, the dance was fun. Ya, ada Pak Malki. Ya, Pak Malki yang mendengar ternyata sudah bersiap ya Pak ya. Tapi bagi yang belum bersiap itu masih masih pada saat audio ada itu masih banyak bukan banyak kegiatannya itu masih ngulang. Yeah, that's why at the beginning I told you that when we have spare time, what we have to do is try to read the 4 possible answer. Karena itu saya katakan di awal bahwa pada saat kita punya waktu luang yang dilakukan itu adalah membaca 4 pilihan jawaban untuk mengira-ngira jawabannya apa. Nah, untuk yang sekarang karena kita masih sama-sama belum terbiasa, saya akan perdengarkan lagi yang audio yang pertama. Ya, yang tadi nomor 1 akan saya ulang lagi dan kemudian kita sama-sama kasih kata kuncinya yang mana ya? Karena pasti ada kata kunci. Ya, jawabannya betul, the dance was fun. Tapi coba kita lihat. Baik.
Listening Part A, TOEFL Exercise 1. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should look for restatements of key ideas in the second line. Number 1. How was the dance last night?
We had such a good time.
What does the woman mean?
Oke.
We had such a good time.
Good, very good. Good. We have such a good time. Kalau kita mencari suara yang sama, maka pasti pilihannya itu jawabannya adalah yang B. Ya, betul. Itu distractor, ya.
Yeah.
Itu distractor. Kemudian ada kata good juga tuh tadi katanya. Kayaknya C juga bener nih katanya ya. Nah, ya jadi itu jadi banyak distractor. Ternyata Ibu dan Bapak sudah luar biasa mencari restatement dari pernyataan kedua, yaitu jawabannya adalah the dance was fun. Oke, very good, very good. Applause buat Ibu dan Bapak. Hore. Ya. Sekarang kita berlanjut ke second number 2 of the first skill exercise.
Number 2. Are you ready to leave?
I need about 30 minutes.
What does the woman mean?
B.
She will be ready in a half hours.
Yang
B.
Yang mana?
Yang
B.
Will be
B.
ready.
Oke. Tadi kata distractornya apa tadi, Bapak Ibu?
apa ya?
30 minutes.
Ready in 30 minutes.
Ya, betul. Kalau kita mendengar 30 menit, jawaban A bakal bener ya. 30 gitu kayaknya thirsty deh, gitu ya. Atau bisa juga yang D juga bener gitu ya. Gitu.
She was ready
Ya.
30 minutes ago.
Ya. 30 minutes ago karena ada 30-30-nya. Itu yang namanya distractor. Padahal di sini ada yang disebut dengan konversi. Konversinya apa? Konversinya adalah 30 minutes. 30 menit itu a half an hour. Very good. Ibu dan Bapak hebat sekali. Oke, sekarang saya sambil admit teman yang sedang masuk ke ini ya, masuk ke Zoom. Kemudian kita yang berikutnya.
Number 3.
I'm really having trouble in psychology class.
You should talk with the teacher. What does the man mean?
C.
Okay. You should talk to the you should talk to the teacher. Ya. Coba distractornya apa?
Teacher.
Teacher bisa milih yang A ya Ibu dan Bapak ya.
Ya.
Kemudian karena ada psikologi juga kayaknya psycho gitu bisa deh psychiatrist gitu ya. Terus kemudian ada psikologi, D-nya juga benar nih ya. Itu banyak sekali distractor di sini tetapi betul sekali bahwa jawaban yang tepat adalah it's a good idea to speak with the instructor. Very good Bapak Ibu ya. Jadi the teacher di sini restatement-nya itu adalah instructor. Very good. Sekarang number 4.
Number 4. Have you found a job yet?
I actually started my new job yesterday.
What does the woman mean?
B.
She just began working.
B. She was not found a
He
job
just
yet.
began
She
working.
just began working.
D.
Udah mulai kerja belum katanya?
Sudah
Udah ya?
kemarin.
Sudah kemarin.
Ya, kemarin.
Kemarin berarti si just
Okay.
Began
Began
working.
working.
Coba yang menjadi distractornya apa ya?
Job.
Ada
Find
job.
job.
Tuh.
Yesterday.
Kemudian started ya. Started juga di sini bisa jadi distractornya itu staring. Gitu ya, karena kayaknya mirip-mirip lah ya. Makanya tadi ada apa namanya, ada salah satunya itu adalah tipsnya adalah avoid similar sound. Very good. She just begin walking because he already walking yesterday. Very good Bapak dan Ibu. Oke, sekarang kita ke berikutnya nomor 5 dan 6.
Number 5. Do you know why Stan wanted to talk to me?
He needs to find someone to share an apartment.
What does the woman say about Stan?
He has to get roommate.
He has to get a roommate.
Ya, good.
Ada sama sekali distraktor itu yang D.
Distractor. Distractor. Kayaknya distractornya itu bukannya ibu
Ada di
tidak
A,
bisa.
B, C.
Pas ibu dengar mungkin ibu masih membaca yang lain atau belum
Ya,
tune in
betul.
dengan audio. Padahal kalau ini oh iya, betul ya. Tadi katanya mencari teman untuk bareng-bareng di apartemen katanya ya. Sehingga distractornya itu apa ya Ibu dan Bapak ya? Distractornya
Apartemen.
Good, apartemen. Ya,
Ah.
kemudian si try to find a new
Find.
friend to share an apartment. Jadi A juga ada distractornya yaitu kata shares-nya ini.
Yes.
Ya, oke, good, very good. Now number 6.
Number 6.
When are you taking your vacation?
In the fall. What does the man mean?
Please no vacation full activity.
Which one?
B.
B.
In autumn he'll have a vacation. In fall.
Oke.
sama
Ya, fall. Fall itu sama dengan
autumn.
autumn ya. Karena nah ini untuk orang-orang Indonesia mungkin tidak tidak terbiasa dengan empat musim ini ya, sehingga harus mempelajari budaya juga. That's why when we learn or study a language, we also learn or study about culture. Ya, good, very good. In autumn, he'll have a vacation. Karena tadi bilangnya itu konversinya itu adalah fall, Ibu ya.
Fall.
Okay, good, very good. Now we go into number 7 and 8.
Number 7. Did you enjoy the book?
It was quite pleasant to read.
What does the woman mean?
Oke.
Strukturnya di
Why? A.
She only read.
The book.
di
The book was
yang ada
very
distraktor
enjoyable.
sih.
Distractornya apa tadi ya? It was
White.
Enjoy.
to read.
Enjoy. Pleasant.
Ya, betul.
Oh, tapi
Quite pleasant to read katanya. Sehingga bisa jadi kalau yang dengarnya hanya pleasant saja, berarti menjawabnya akan be ya. Atau ada quite gitu, kayaknya sih benar juga. Tapi dia juga benar gitu ya. Padahal ya karena kita have to avoid similar sound, but that's why the correct answer is alpha. Ya, oke. The book was very enjoyable. Kuat itu tadi sinonim dari pleasant itu adalah enjoyable.
Enjoy.
Ya, enjoyable. Very good. Menyenangkan ya untuk dibaca. Ya, oke. Good. Now we will have number 8.
Number 8.
Why were you so late?
Traffic was very heavy. What does the man mean?
There
B.
were a lot of
B.
cars on the road.
There were a lot of cars on the road.
Good. There were a lot of cars on the road. Very good. What are the distractor?
Late.
Late.
Car.
Late. Kemudian
Heavy.
Traffic car.
heavy. Kalau buat ibu-ibu ini amat sangat sensitif ya, heavy. Maksudnya ini
Weight.
he needs to lose
Lost
weight.
weight.
Gitu ya. Kemudian ada juga yang D-nya tuh distractor sekali ya. Katanya heavy ya. Kemudian yang late, I am late because gitu ya. Ini ada lately. Oke, A, C, and D are the distractor, and the correct answer is B. Bravo. Very good. Okay. Now we get into number 9 and 10.
Number 9.
Do you want to go to the game with us tonight?
Sorry, I can't. I have to finish the report for history class.
What does the man mean?
He needs to complete an assignment.
Ya. Si kan?
Oke.
He,
Si, Charlie?
he, ya, Charlie.
Ya, Charlie. Charlie ya. Oke, distractornya apa?
Right, sorry.
Game,
Okay,
History.
report,
Report.
report,
Oke, report.
History,
Kemudian
yes.
history ya. History jadi
story.
ya, history katanya ya, history. Jadi di sini ada story gitu katanya ya. Kemudian ada beberapa juga ya. Padahal yang the correct answer is Charlie ya, because we have some distractor in other possible answer. Very good. Now number 10.
10.
Number 10. Does Steve work for you?
No, Steve manages his own business.
What does the woman say about Steve?
He is the boss
Delta.
of his own company. He, Delta.
Which one?
Delta. He is a
Alpha,
boss of
Bravo,
his own
Charlie,
company.
Delta.
Delta.
Delta. Distractornya apa Ibu dan Bapak?
Work,
manage,
work,
Ya,
Business.
manage.
business.
On business.
On business, manage juga. Oke. Nah, Ibu dan Bapak siapa yang betul semua tadi?
ada yang
Saya.
salah.
Siapa yang salah satu?
Saya, nomor 7.
Siapa yang salah dua?
Saya, Bu.
Saya. Salah dua, good. Ya, salah 3? Ada ya? Oke, berarti banyak benarnya ya, banyak benarnya. Alhamdulillah.
Saya
Good, very good. Salah lima. Apa-apa, sudah setengahnya Pak, sudah setengahnya. Tapi nggak ada yang salah semua kan? Ada yang salah semua kan? Oke, sekarang kita akan berlanjut ke skill yang kedua, ya. Sebentar, saya pindahkan dulu. Oke, in skill 2, we will talk about something negative. Like we already discussed before, the day before, that there are some types of negative expression. Yeah, it could be using the word not, yeah, to show the negation, or maybe by using the infix or the suffix or the prefix, like insane. Insane is the negation of not sane. It means that it is crazy. The people is crazy. Or we also can hear whether the statement is negative or positive from the speaker intonation. Ya, tadi yang waktu kemarin kita pernah diskusikan bahwa kata yes itu bisa bermakna tidak baik-baik saja sebenarnya, tergantung intonasinya. Okay, and sometimes we also have a double negative expression, ya. Jadi kadang di dalam soal TOEFL itu ada beberapa contoh audionya itu ada double negative expression seperti ini, ya. Kita langsung lihat bahwa didn't like the unclean office, it mean that like the unclean, like the clean. Very good. Nah, kemudian lihat contoh yang kedua, it isn't snowing, so they aren't going to the mountain. Enggak bersalju, jadi enggak berangkat ke gunung. Artinya, kalau turun salju, kita akan berangkat skiing. Gitu ya. Oke, sekarang kita akan masuk ke section kelatihannya. Sambil saya mencari audionya, Ibu dan Bapak pay attention and read for possible answer. Sebentar ya.
TOEFL exercise 2.
Oke. Bapak dan Ibu sudah siap ya?
Sudah.
Oke.
In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Pay particular attention to negative expressions. Number 1.
Why were you so late getting here?
But I wasn't late. What does the man mean?
He was on time.
He was on
time.
time.
He was on time. Apa katanya tadi kata speakernya? But I was
not late.
I was
not late. Saya nggak terlambat.
I wasn't late. Yes.
Yeah, I wasn't late atau I was not late. It means that he was on
On time.
time. Oke, mungkin jam ibu-ibunya atau jam perempuannya kecepatan mungkin ya. Jadi dianggapnya bapak-bapaknya telat. Padahal enggak kok, aku mah on time katanya gitu. Good, very good. Now the second one.
Number 2. Did you bring the book with you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't remember to bring it.
What does the woman mean?
She forgot the book.
She forgot the book.
Yeah, she forgot the book. Oke, nah setiap kali, the correct answer is Charlie, ya, C. Beside the skill about negative, we also still use the previous skill that we have to find the synonym. We have to pay attention to the second line, and we have to also try to pay attention to the second line. Ya, jadi ada skill-skill yang sebelumnya tuh tetap terpakai. Ya, jadi restatement tetap terpakai, avoid similar sound tetap terpakai, gitu ya. Jadi the correct answer is C. She forgot the book because still we have some distractor here. Ya, ada broad ya, kemudian not remember katanya ya, not remember. Remember ini ada di dua pilihan jawaban. Di B ada remember, di D juga ada remember ya. Itu yang menjadi distractor untuk soal ini. Very good. The correct answer is Charlie. Okay, good. Now we get into number 3.
Number 3. Is the baby awake yet?
No, she's not.
What does the woman say about the baby?
The baby is asleep.
The baby sleep.
Babies asleep.
Asleep.
Oke. Ada distractor yang ibu bapak temukan?
Ada.
Wake up.
Wake up. Wake up. Waking up ya. Kemudian not yet ya. Not yet juga ya. Oke, very good. Ya, the correct answer is bravo.
Bravo.
Ya, bravo. Betul. Okay, now we get into number 4, Bapak Ibu.
Number 4.
Are you going on the trip by yourself?
No, I'm traveling with a large group of people.
What does the man mean?
She
He has a large number
has a
of
number of friends.
Oke.
Yes, she.
He has a large number of friends. Tadi kata kunci yang ibu.
he isn't traveling alone.
He isn't traveling alone.
Yes, he isn't traveling alone.
Yeah, he isn't traveling alone.
Yeah.
Which one?
D.
C or D?
D.
Charlie or Delta? Ya.
Delta.
Oke. Yang C kita menganggap pertamanya C, tetapi di sini tidak ada informasi mengenai dia pergi. Ya, dia pergi. Dia hanya he has a large number of friends, bahwa dia banyak teman ya, tetapi tidak mengemukakan bahwa dia pergi bersama teman-teman, gitu ya. Oke, the correct answer is
Delta.
very good. Now we get into number, wait a second. Number 5 and 6. Okay.
Number 5. Do you have time to go to the park for a while?
Sure, I'm not very busy.
What does the woman mean?
He has some
He has
some free time.
She has some free time.
Tidak
Okay.
busy.
Not busy ya, not
Yes.
busy. Tadi yang distractornya apa Ibu?
Park.
Ah,
ya, ya. Kemudian ada juga yang lain-lainnya park ya, yang kebanyakan itu yang park. Yang tadi dia tidak bilang busy, tetapi di sini tidak ada distractor busy ya. Tapi the correct answer is bravo. He has some free time. Okay, very good. Now number 6.
During the storm. Okay.
Number 6.
Why is it all wet in here?
The rain got in because the windows weren't closed. What does the man mean?
The windows were open during the storm.
It didn't.
Bravo.
She saw the rain through the window.
Bravo. Apa Charlie?
Oke, kata kuncinya apa tuh sampai bisa menjawab Charlie?
Why the rain through
the window?
The windows did not
did not close. Sorry.
did not close properly, ya, did not close properly katanya ya. Jadi si jendelanya tuh ditutupnya kurang rapet tuh selama hujan itu sehingga jadi basah di dalam ya. Oke, bukan close ya, tetapi yang benar adalah yang Charlie. The windows were open during the storm. Meskipun tertutup tapi nggak tertutup dengan benar, ya dengan rapat ya, dengan rapat. Jadi masuk airnya tuh Ibu dan Bapak. Jadi tetap wet inside the house ya, inside the building. Okay, the correct answer is Charlie. Okay, very good. Now we get into number 7 and 8. Wait a second, I have to move to the next. Okay, number 7.
Not sure what I want to plan.
Number 7. I think you should throw that plant out. It looks dead.
But I'm sure it's not dead.
What does the woman mean?
Is certain the plant's alive.
Yes.
Katanya kata yang B itu apa? But I'm sure the plant is not
Yes,
dead. Ya, saya yakin kok tanamannya nggak mati katanya. But I'm sure. Sure ini ada di B sehingga akan menjadi distractor nih. But I'm sure
Di
the
Delta
plant is
juga
dead. Ya betul, di Delta juga ada si sure. Should ya. Si plan, oke, yang B, he's not sure what happened to the plant. No, because he sure that the plant is not dead. Ya, still alive. Good. Not dead itu very good. Not dead itu restatementnya atau paraphrasingnya adalah alive. Ya, correct. So it means that the correct answer is alpha. Very good. Alpha. Okay. Now number 8.
Number 8.
That apple looks good.
It may look good, but it's not sweet at all.
What does the man say about the apple?
Delta.
Apple is sour.
So
Sour.
The apple is
apple is sold.
The apple looks good katanya. Padahal it is
not
sweet at all. Nggak
sweet, not
manis
tidak
sama
manis.
sekali. Ya,
Yep.
jadi
Yes.
the apple is sour.
So,
Ya, sour itu yang delta. Ini distractornya ada di A ya. Distractornya yang A apa?
Yeah.
Yang
Good.
sweet.
Apple
Is
is
it
Good.
is sweet?
Ya, good.
sweet, good.
Ya, ada dua kata di sini yang good. Itu distractor, kemudian sweet juga distractor ya. Padahal tadi bilangnya it is not good at all.
Yeah.
It is unsweet katanya ya. Ya, jadi good distractor, sweet juga distractor. Kalau yang B distractornya apa? Sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet ya. Yang yang di atas sweet manis, yang ini yang sweet ya. Ruangannya. Kemudian yang di C itu distractornya adalah yang
doesn't
good.
not good.
Good. ya. Nah, oke, the correct answer is delta. Okay, very good Bapak Ibu. Okay, now we get into number 9 and 10. Wait a second. Okay.
Number 9.
I don't think we should go out to dinner tonight. We can't afford it.
No problem. I've found a restaurant that's not very expensive.
What does the woman say about the restaurant?
Alpha.
This cheap.
Cost to a lot.
Okay. Apa ya?
A.
Alpha.
Alpha.
I find a restaurant that is not very expensive. Not very expensive. Nggak terlalu mahal. Nggak mahal artinya
It's
Murah.
cheap.
cheap. Ya, murah. Berarti jawaban yang benar adalah
Alpha.
alpha. Ya, lihat yang di B kita punya distractornya cost a lot.
Cost not.
Ya,
Mahal.
mahal sama dengan yang expensive.
Expensive.
Ya, oke. Kemudian ada it has a few problems.
Problem.
Ini distractornya yang mana nih?
Problem.
Few?
Few problem.
Expensive.
problem.
Problem. Ya,
Yes.
yang pertama ya betul few problem ini yang dikatakan
problem.
oleh yang laki-laki
Laki-laki,
or the second speakernya the first speaker. Ya. The first speaker. Good. Ini dikatakan oleh the first speaker. Kemudian yang di distractornya apa?
To find.
Hard to find.
Hard to
Find.
find.
To find.
Hard to
Betul.
find.
To find-nya itu distractor karena di perempuannya bilang I find ya a restaurant that unexpensive gitu ya. Yang tidak. Jadi find-nya itu distractornya ya. Oke, jadi the correct answer is alpha. Oke, ya. Oke, now number 10.
Number 10.
Look at this rock by the side of the path. It's beautiful. Do you think I should take it with me?
It's too big. You can't take it with you. What does the man imply?
Alpha. Alpha.
She must leave the rock hit there.
Alpha.
Ini ketingginya bagus banget deh. Kayaknya bagus buat dibawa pulang katanya ya. Terus kemudian the second speaker-nya
Sarah.
bilang apa? Ada yang mendengar?
Terlalu besar.
Big.
It is
Yeah.
too big.
Is too
It is
big.
too
big
big.
to-
Ya. It is too big to
To
take
take
you home gitu ya, something like that lah ya. Jadi di second speaker-nya itu si second speaker yang bapak-bapaknya bilang udah nggak usah dibawa gitu ya karena kebesaran. Ya, artinya adalah nggak usah
Alpha.
dibawa.
yeah,
Must
leave.
must
the
leave.
rock
Leave.
there.
Rock there.
Oke. Jadi the correct answer is
Alpha.
alpha. Alpha ya. Di sini banyak sekali distractor ya. Apalagi yang parah itu yang D. She should take a bigger rock. Nah, yang itu aja nggak ke bawah, ini harus bawa yang lebih gede. Tentu saja sangat tidak memungkinkan untuk dibawa. Fine, Ibu dan Bapak. Siapa yang betul semua?
Saya.
Kasih.
1, 2, 3.
Salah dua. Oke, salah 3.
Saya, Bu.
Oke, salah 4.
Ayah.
Salah 4.
Tidak.
Oke, salah 5. Gak ada yang salah semua ya? Salah semua ada? Nggak apa-apa. Kalaupun ada yang salah lebih dari 5, nggak apa-apa. It is still time for us to learn a lot because we are still make tune our hearing devices. Mungkin Bapak dan Ibu, ada di antara Bapak dan Ibu yang jarang mendengarkan percakapan dalam bahasa Inggris, maka ini memang waktunya masih menyamakan our hearing devices with the sound of native speaker, ya. Jadi terus harus belajar, karena kalau seumpamanya tidak, kita agak-agak tidak bisa mendengar dengan dengan jelas apa yang dikatakan oleh the native speaker. And we also have to remember that even though later when we or you follow the real TOEFL test, the conversation usually take place in academic setting. However, because it is still about exercise, we still hear the conversation in many activities or many situation, ya. Jadi di pertemuan sebelumnya saya katakan bahwa nanti di TOEFL aslinya itu academic setting semuanya. So the conversation always between student with the student with the lecturer, or student with the academic staff. However, because it is only an exercise, ya, hanya latihan saja, jadi percakapannya itu masih percakapan yang belum di academic setting, meskipun tadi ada juga beberapa, ya. Nah, Ibu dan Bapak, sekarang kita akan latihan, tetapi latihannya itu review exercise. It means that we will combine the exercise from skill 1 and skill 2. Kalau yang tadi kebanyakan yang di skill 1 itu hanya bicara mengenai restatement dan skill 2 itu mengenai negatif, yang ini, yang skill review exercise ini banyak mengkombinasikan dua skill tersebut. Tetapi ini tidak saya tuliskan di PowerPoint, Ibu dan Bapak, karena memiliki memiliki modul, maka Ibu dan Bapak bisa melihat soalnya di modul, ya. Bapak dan Ibu silakan mempersiapkan diri untuk skill TOEFL review exercise skill 1 2 page 3. Saya akan persiapkan dulu audionya. Sebentar ya.
Quiet.
TOEFL review exercise.
Oke. Bapak dan Ibu sudah siap atau mau latihan, mau istirahat dulu, merenghap 1 menit? Saya beri jeda dulu 2 menit agar Ibu dan Bapak bisa membaca dulu the 4 possible answer, ya. Kita akan mulai di 2 menit mendatang, ya. Mungkin ada Ibu dan Bapak yang mau ke toilet dulu atau mau apa, silakan. Atau mau ada yang membaca dulu.
Bu, ini
Langsung
yang
saja?
halaman 4, Bu. Yang
halaman 3, Pak. Halaman 3 yang TOEFL review exercise.
Oke.
Sudah ketemu ya? Ya, yang depannya itu, yang E-nya itu, she couldn't think of a single answer, yang itu. Sudah ketemu semuanya, Ibu dan Bapak?
Sudah, Bu.
Ya? Oke. Sudah. Oke, kita mulai, Ibu dan Bapak, siap ya? Nah, oke, masih ada yang minum. Punten Pak Dadan jadi buru-buru minumnya. Sok silakan, Bapak.
Sudah, Bu.
Sudah ya?
Jadi malu.
Enggak, kasihan. Nanti keselak. Tar dulu.
Enggak. Oke.
Oke, siap semuanya ya? Oke, kita mulai. TOEFL review exercise skill 1 and 2.
Skills 1 and 2. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
What did you think of the exam?
I thought it was quite simple.
What does the woman mean?
It was easy.
B,
Bravo.
the test was easy.
Setuju semuanya?
Saya setuju.
Sudah.
Ya. Coba katanya the test, I think the test is quite simple. Simple. Ya, simple. Nah, coba kalau gitu kita cari distractornya dulu. Simple. Distractornya single bisa ya, single answer ya.
Yes.
Kemudian quiet, diam di sini ya. Kalau simple itu sinonimnya adalah
Mudah, easy.
Easy. Very good. Ya, the correct answer is bravo. Very good. Okay, now number 2.
Number 2.
Will you be finished soon?
Sorry, I don't work very quickly. What does the man mean?
Walk
B.
slowly.
Be slowly. She walks slowly.
Slowly.
B.
Bravo.
Tadi katanya kata yang laki-lakinya gimana katanya? Sorry, I did not work
Didn't
Work
quickly.
quickly. Okay, I did not work quickly. Quickly-nya itu jadi distractor ada di yang A ya. Kemudian sorry gitu ya. Jadi ada worry gitu deh katanya. Kemudian ada work itu distractornya di C dan D. The correct answer would be bravo. Okay. Bravo. Okay, now we get into number 3.
Number 3. How did your mother and father feel when you got home so late?
They were very angry.
What does the woman mean?
Delta.
The parent will
B.
Her parents were
Eddie Delta. Maid.
Delta. Delta.
Delta.
Delta,
Parents
oke.
were maid.
Kenapa katanya?
Angry.
Angry.
Sinonimnya
Parents angry.
ya.
Home late. Bu Wiji kayaknya freeze ya.
Leg.
Atau saya ya. Bukan saya. Ya.
Itu dari angry menjadi hungry. Could be. The correct. Saya hilang Ibu.
Iya, barusan freeze Bu
The
Wiji.
correct answer. Freeze ya.
Iya.
The correct answer is Delta.
Delta.
Delta, good, very good. Now we get into number 4.
Number 4.
I hear that you got a new car.
I got a car, but it's not really new. What does the man mean?
Delta.
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 Delta. I got a car, but it
Tapi bukan
isn't
baru.
really.
Bukan
Iya.
Betul. Dia memang benar punya mobil, tapi bukan mobil baru, gitu ya. Ini artinya
Old.
the car that he just bought is old. Ya, second ya, barang second, gitu ya. Oke, the correct answer is Delta. Very good, very good. Ya, now number 5.
Number 5.
Is it time for my appointment yet?
Please have a seat.
What does the woman ask the man to do?
Make an appointment.
Make an appointment. Yes.
An app-
Please
Delta.
have a seat.
Take some time.
Oh, take some time ya.
Take some time.
Take some
Take
time.
some time. Please have a seat. Duduk dulu, katanya. Silakan duduk dulu, katanya. Itu artinya take
Tunggu
some
dulu.
time.
Tunggu sebentar.
Dulu.
Tunggu.
Bentar ya, katanya. Kalau bahasa orang Sundanya kedap-kedap, katanya gitu ya. Oke.
Kedap.
Nah, Ibu dan Bapak, sekarang kita coba yuk nomor 6 sampai nomor 10 tidak akan kita bahas.
Siap.
Ya. Jadi kita langsungkan. Dari nomor 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, nanti setelah nomor 10 baru kita akan bahas the correct answer. Ya.
Oke.
Oke, siap ya Ibu dan Bapak ya?
Ya,
Ready.
insyaallah.
Ready, merenghap dulu sedikit. Oke, number 6.
Because I will enter.
Number 6.
How was your football game this afternoon?
I'm not too happy. We didn't win.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Are you going to pay the rent today?
Oh, I did that the day before yesterday.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
Can Barry go camping with us this weekend?
Oh, I don't think he's old enough.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Let's go to the movies right now.
Sorry, I can't now. I have to finish the laundry.
What does the man mean? Number 10.
The weather here is always so wet.
Yes, and I really don't like humid weather.
What does the man mean?
Oke, kita samakan jawabannya. Ya, kita samakan jawabannya. Number 6
Delta.
adalah bravo.
Bravo, dia kalah.
Dia kalah because we not win.
Yes.
Win.
Ya.
Ya.
Karena kita nggak menang. Artinya
Yes,
it's unhappy because they
they lost.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Number 7,
A.
Alpha. Alpha. Katanya because I already pay the day before yesterday. The
Iya,
day
berarti 2
before
hari yang lalu.
yesterday. Berarti 2 days ago. 2 hari yang lalu berarti alpha. Very good. Number 8,
D.
Delta. There
Delta.
yang go
Delta.
camping.
ya. Delta katanya Barry is not
Is not
old
enough.
Oh,
enough.
Enough.
Not old enough. Kurang cukup tua. It mean that too young.
masih terlalu muda.
Terlalu muda, too young. Ya, oke. Kemudian number 9 katanya
T.
Charlie because katanya I have to
I'm going to
laundry.
laundry. Yes.
I'm going to laundry.
Lagi nyusun, Bu.
He's washing.
Nyusun, ya.
He's washing his clothes.
Betul. He's washing his clothes day. Nyebutnya laundry day biar keren. Padahal nyusuh day ya ibu-ibu dan bapak. Kemudian number 10
Bravo.
itu
Dry weather.
Bravo. Katanya I don't like humid weather.
Humid.
Saya nggak suka udara lembab. Artinya? Artinya?
He prefers
Dry
He
weather.
prefers dry weather. Dari nomor 6 sampai nomor 10. Ada 5 soal. Siapa yang betul semua?
Saya.
Wih, banyak. Wih,
Siapa yang salah satu? Oh,
saya.
sip. Siapa yang salah 2? Salah 3. Oke, nggak apa-apa ya. Nggak apa-apa, kita semuanya belajar. Ya, aduh saya tuh mau nyari applause di mana nih ya? Applause
Ada,
buat
Bu,
ibu dan
di-
bapak pokoknya. Saya sampai bingung mau nyari applause di mana ini.
Nah, itu,
Ya,
Bu,
pokoknya
ada
ada di mana ya? Di chat
Direction.
ya.
Direction.
di
Reaksi.
right
Reaction.
reaction, Bu.
Reaction.
Reaction.
Iya, aduh. Oke lah, pokoknya saya kasih big applause buat ibu dan bapak. Sip ya, keren. Kita baru 2 skill loh ya. Kita baru 2 skill. Sekarang skill yang ketiga. Oke, skill 3 or the third skill.
Suggestion.
Oke. Suggestion. Oke. Ibu dan Bapak bisa punya waktu untuk membaca dulu. Saya ini mencari audionya dulu ya. Sebentar.
Getting some exercise.
Talking about suggestion. Oke. skill 3, skill, okay, suggestion.
Let's finishing. Trying to do.
TOEFL exercise.
Oke, baik, Ibu dan Bapak, we are now in the third skill talking about suggestion. Here, I make a PowerPoint and I also have information that sometimes beside a suggestion, there is also an expression about uncertainty. However, in this skill, we only highlight on the suggestion. There are some keywords when we try to give other people suggestion. For example, we use term why not, or let's, or why don't you. Discuss about this term of giving suggestion to other people in our previous meeting. Today, we will discuss about the exercise when people in conversation giving suggestion to other people concerning many possible situation. Oke, ya. Jadi banyak sekali banyak sekali kondisi di mana kita mencoba untuk memberikan saran pada teman, saran pada siapapun gitu ya. Nah, itu kondisinya macam-macam. Sekarang kita mencoba untuk berlatih mengenai suggestion yang diberikan oleh orang lain dan maknanya apa. Ya, we have to also remember that even though we are now in exercise of skill 3, we still use skill from previous skill. For example, we still have to find the synonym and then avoid similar sound. Ya, jadi tetap dipergunakan secara berkesinambungan. Baik, sekarang kita mulai yang ini sebentar ya. Ini agak pembelatak. Okay, be ready for the exercise 3, number 1.
3. In this exercise, TOEFL exercise 3. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should pay particular attention to expressions of suggestion. Number 1.
I'd like to work out this afternoon.
Let's go to the gym for a while.
What does the woman suggest?
Let's go for a gym. Ya.
Bravo, getting some exercise.
Oke, yuk kita ke gym dulu katanya gitu. Artinya kalau pergi ke gym berarti having some exercise ya. Kita juga kadang terbingungkan ya dengan kata exercise ini karena exercise ini kita gunakan untuk latihan ya di dalam pembelajaran tetapi juga latihan di dalam kegiatan olahraga ya. Nah, tetapi di sini tentu saja kegiatannya olahraga tadi ya. Let's go to the gym. In gym we have some exercise. Okay. Not relaxing for a while, no. Not visiting her friend gym, not also going to work. Yeah, but to have some exercise. So the correct answer would be bravo. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Now we get into the second audio.
Number 2. Why not finish it tomorrow? What does the man suggest?
Kayaknya kecepatan deh, Bu. Itu sounds.
Kecepatan?
Iya, maksudnya
Oke,
langsung.
Tidak ada speaker keduanya.
Iya, nggak ada.
Oh, oke.
Bicara pertamanya.
Hanya satu
Oke.
orang speakernya.
Saya coba ulang ya. Khawatirnya tidak tenang. Tapi ini karena saya nggak tahu, kita mulai dari ini ya. Kita mulai dari mana aja nih ya, sebentar ya. Saya coba ya. Karena di sini tidak ada detiknya. Oke.
Number 2.
I can't finish the work today. I'm too tired.
Why not finish it tomorrow? What does the man suggest?
Alpha.
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 Apa? Apa kata kuncinya?
Kenapa nggak nyelesain itu besok gitu.
Oke. Why not finish it tomorrow katanya.
Oh.
Kenapa sih beresin aja besok katanya. Gitu. Saya kan capek banget hari ini. Ya udah kenapa nggak beresin aja besok katanya. Artinya completing
Menunda tugasnya, complete the work later. Yes.
completing the work later. Aduh bahaya sekali ya, completing the work later. Karena kalau kita begini ditunda-tunda pasti numpuk ya, bukan selesai ya. Oke, artinya the correct answer would be alpha. Very good. Now we get number 3 and 4. Ya, siap-siap.
Number 3. It's rather cool in here. Let's turn on the heat. What does the woman suggest?
Rising the temperature, Charlie.
Raising the temperature.
Apa katanya yang dia bilang? Why don't you turn on the
Heat.
Turn on the heat. Why
Yeah.
don't you turn on the heat? Turn on the heat mean raising the temperature. Okay. Raising the temperature. Turn on the heat. Dinyalakan penghangatnya. Artinya kalau kita menyalakan penghangat berarti menaikkan temperatur ya. Okay. It means that the correct answer is Charlie. However, we also hear there's some distractor here ya. Ada cool, kemudian ada heat juga distractor. Bahkan di sini ada juga it. Ada it gitu ya. Oke, but
Number 4.
My old car has broken down again.
Why don't you get a new one?
What does the man suggest?
C.
Buy another automobile.
why don't you buy another one? Kayak beli apa aja ya? Why
Beli
don't
baru aja.
Why don't you buy another one katanya tuh ya.
Fixing the car.
Why don't you buy another one? Kenapa kamu nggak beli aja lagi katanya ya?
Fixing the car.
Ya, artinya adalah buying
Another automobile.
automobile. Ya, bukan fixing the car, tidak juga breaking the news. Ya, tidak fixing tetapi buy another one katanya. Beli satu lagi katanya ya. Kemudian tidak juga breaking the new to the others ya. Tidak, tapi buy another one, tidak juga going down the hill in the car. The correct answer is buying another automobile. It means Charlie. Okay, good. Now we get into number 5 and 6. Okay.
Number 5. We've got so many books here. I can't find the one I want.
Let's organize them on the shelves.
What
Yeah.
does the woman suggest?
Delta.
Rearrange.
Arranging the book
Let's organize them in the self.
in
Let's organize them in the self.
arranging.
Self nih,
Rearranging.
salah ya. Selling juga salah, looking juga salah, because they do not look for the lost book, but they want to rearranging the book.
the books.
It means that delta is the correct answer. Okay, delta. Okay, now number 6.
Number 6.
These clothes are too small for me.
Why not let your sister have them?
What does the man suggest to the woman?
Giving the clothes away, Delta.
Babysitter.
Bajunya ternyata kekecilan, katanya gitu
Ya.
ya. Terus Why don't you give it to your little sister?
Sister.
Ya,
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
sister gitu. Ya, ada distractornya yang distractor, yang B juga babysitter juga distractor. Ya, letting her sister see the clothes juga distractor. It mean that the man
Delta.
suggest the woman to giving the clothes away. Udah deh, hibahin aja katanya daripada mubazir ya, gitu ya. Berarti the correct answer is delta. Very good. Delta. Yay. Oke, sekarang number 7 and 8. Wait a second. Okay, number 7 and 8.
Number 7. It's too late to leave tonight. Let's put off the trip until tomorrow. What does the woman suggest?
Postponing the trip.
Apa
Alpha.
katanya? Tadi Ibu dan Bapak ada yang didengar nggak?
Later tonight.
Katanya terlalu terlambat untuk pergi
Terlalu
sekarang.
terlambat untuk berangkat
Iya,
sekarang.
betul.
Oh,
Iya.
mean it would be better if we go tomorrow.
Iya.
Ya, it mean that if we go tomorrow, not tonight, it mean that
Mengundur.
postpone. Ya, postpone artinya menunda. Menunda itu artinya postponing the trip. Aduh, kayaknya udah kemalaman deh kalau kita berangkat sekarang. Yaudah deh, gimana kalau besok aja, katanya gitu ya. Kalau besok aja, it mean that they not leaving immediately. Ya, mereka bukannya mau pergi cepet-cepet, enggak. Tapi bukan yang si itu putting on a play tomorrow. Enggak, mereka nggak akan nonton apa-apa. Going later tonight? No, there is not the option. The correct answer is alpha, postponing the trip until tomorrow. Ya. Okay, very good. Now number 8. Ready for number 8, Ibu dan Bapak?
Ready.
Number 8.
I really need to get going on this term paper.
Why not plan on staying in the library all day? What does the man suggest to the woman?
Why not you spend all day in the library, katanya.
Iya.
Mean that,
Alpha.
Oh.
Alpha.
Alpha?
Work on the
Why
term
don't
paper.
you spend all your day in the library? Kenapa? Aduh, saya harus beresin tugas saya nih. Ya udah, kalau gitu kamu seharian ini kamu di library saja,
Yes.
katanya. Mean that? Apakah
Apa?
spend a little money on paper? No. Doing a better job of planning her term paper? Yang
No.
Charlie
No.
juga bukan ya.
Yeah.
Hanya berbeda ya. Spending the whole term on the paper? Bukan juga. Tetapi working on the term paper the whole day. Di mana katanya mengerjakannya?
Di perpustakaan.
Perpustakaan, on the library. The correct answer is alpha. Okay, very good. Now, number 9 and 10.
Number
9 and 10 ya? Okay.
Yes.
Number 9. There's a really funny program coming on television now.
Let's watch it then.
What does the woman suggest?
Seeing a comedy on television.
Comedy on television.
Katanya tadi apa? There is a funny TV program on the television. Kata cowoknya gitu ya. Terus kata yang perempuannya,
Ayo kita.
let's see the program, gitu ya.
Iya.
Katanya, ada yang lucu loh di TV, yuk kita nonton, gitu sebenarnya. Nah, kalau yang A, getting a new television, yuk kita beli TV baru. Enggak, ya. Kemudian yang B, checking which programs are coming on. Kita ngecek program apa yang akan ada nih, enggak juga. Yang kemudian yang C, checking their watches. Checking their
Mereka
watches
lagi
apalagi. Mereka katanya dilihat watches di sini jadi jam tangan nih.
Yes.
Mereka ngecek tangannya katanya ya. Tetapi yang disarankan adalah yuk kita nonton film yang lucu itu. Yang mana? Yang Delta, yaitu Seeing a Comedy on Television. Ya, the correct answer is Delta.
Ini
Okay,
restatement ya, Miss ya?
Ya, restatement.
Ya, restatement.
Ya, restatement ya. Parafrase ya kalau Ibu dan Bapak sedang menulis ya. Gitu ya. Oke. Karena kita harus suruh parafrase menjauhkan dari plagiarisme katanya. Oke. Now we get into number 10.
And
It's unbelievable, but I've actually got a little extra money now.
Why not put it in the bank?
what does the woman suggest to the man?
Bravo, that's his
Bravo.
account.
Bravo.
Wow, it's unbelievable. I found extra money. Gak percaya nih saya dapat uang katanya. Kayak kita kalau seumpamanya pas lagi habis nyuci terus dapat uang ya, kayak nemu harta karun padahal duit kita sendiri ya. Unbelievable katanya ya. Terus katanya yang perempuannya menyarankan, why don't you put in your saving? Ya, saving. Jadi katanya simpan aja di bank kalau dapat yang seperti itu. Nah, yang A, apakah making some extra money? No, ya, making some extra money artinya menyarankan laki-laki itu untuk bekerja ya, untuk mendapatkan uang. Bukan itu yang disarankan. Yang B, depositing the money in his account, menyimpan uangnya di dalam di dalam tabungannya ya. This is the correct answer. Oke, yang C, apakah buying something with the money? No, ya, tadi katanya simpan aja di banknya. Kemudian yang D, checking out several bank, ya, checking out several bank juga tidak disarankan oleh perempuan itu. Checking out several bank artinya membuat beberapa checking dari beberapa bank. The correct answer is Bravo. Oke, siapa yang benar semua?
Saya.
Ada yang salah satu? Yeay. Ada yang salah dua?
Salah banyak, Bu.
Salah banyak, nggak apa-apa salah banyak. Tapi masih ada yang benarnya ya? Oke. Ada pada dan raise hand. Good, very good. Now, Bapak dan Ibu, sekarang kita akan menyambungkan exercise-nya itu 1 until 3. Ya. Ini Bapak dan Ibu bisa melihatnya di halaman 5. Ya, ada di halaman 5 itu TOEFL review exercise 1 until 3. Jadi, ketiga skill yang sebelumnya kita pelajari itu kita akan latihkan langsung. Nah, in this exercise I won't give a pause. Ya, saya tidak akan beri jeda di setiap soal. Jadi kita langsung nomor 1 sampai 10, setelah itu di akhir kita akan samakan jawabannya. Setelah itu nanti kita akan istirahat dulu ya, jeda dulu sekitar 10 menit, 5 atau 10 menit ya bagi Ibu dan Bapak. Ya. Nah, sebelum jeda istirahat, kita mau mendengarkan TOEFL review exercise skill 1 until 3. However, I won't give you any post time, ya, jadi tidak ada waktu untuk diskusinya nanti di akhir, ya. Sebentar, saya siapkan dulu ininya, skill 1, 2, 3, kok tidak ada ya? Oke, sebentar, skill 1, 2, 3.
TOEFL review exercise. Skills 1.
Baik, kita akan mulai skill 1, 2, 3, Ibu dan Bapak. Mudah-mudahan sudah siap. Oke, siap ya.
TOEFL review exercise. Skills 1 through 3. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
It seems that Bob's not home often.
That's because he travels a lot for his job.
What does the woman say about Bob? Number 2.
It's time to wash the car.
Not now.
What does the man mean? Number 3.
The apartment where I'm living is just too noisy.
Why not move to a new apartment?
What does the woman suggest? Number 4.
Alan, why were you late for work this morning?
I overslept.
What happened to Ellen? Number 5.
Hey,
She's not a very talkative person.
What does the man say about Betty? Number 6.
I'm rather thirsty. What about you?
let's make some lemonade.
What does the woman suggest? Number 7.
Can you tell me about the assignment for tonight?
Call me up later and I can tell you about it.
What does the man want the woman to do? Number 8.
My hair has gotten way too long.
Why don't you get it cut this afternoon?
What does the woman suggest to the man? Number 9.
Do you think Tim was telling the truth?
I'm not sure I believe him.
What does the woman say about Tim? Number 10.
What time is the break today?
It's at the regular hour.
What does the man mean? TOEFL review exercise.
Oke, Bapak dan Ibu, mari kita samakan jawabannya. Oke, siap ya? Number 1, bravo. Ya, bravo. Tadi katanya because he travel a lot. Ya, travel a lot artinya he has to take many trips. Oke. Kemudian number 2, the correct answer is
to do it later.
Yeah. correct. He prefer to do it later. Karena tadi laki-lakinya bilang not now. Ayo cuci dong mobilnya. Katanya gitu ya, not now. Artinya he prefer to do it later. Good. Number 3, itu katanya apa?
Karena noise apartemennya disuruh
Karena
pindah.
apartemennya noise, jadi katanya changing
Pindah aja.
apartment. Move to the new apartment. Ya, move to the new apartment. Artinya yang delta. Kemudian number 4, the correct answer is Charlie.
Stayed in bed too long.
Ya. Kata kuncinya tadi yang disebutkan because I'm overslept.
Overslept.
Overslept artinya kelamaan tidur tuh kayak kita ya. tidur, bangun, masih leyeh-leyeh, tadinya mau bangun jam berapa akhirnya? Ya, overslept ya. It means that he stay in bed too long. Charlie, ya. Kemudian number 5, katanya, he's not a talkative person. Talkative itu artinya cerewet. He's not a talkative person. Dia itu bukan tipe perempuan cerewet. Artinya adalah yang A. He's rather quiet. Ya, pendiam gitu ya. Nah, kemudian yang number 6 adalah jawabannya adalah alpha.
Fixing something.
Let's make lemonade. Let's make lemonade. Karena apa? Ya, fixing something. Fixing di sini bukan berarti membenarkan, tetapi membuat sesuatu untuk bisa diminum. Ya, ini yang alpha. Kemudian yang 7, ya, number 7, katanya call me later and I will tell you the assignment is about. It means that
Phone him in a while.
Ya, telepon saya nanti gitu ya. Ntar saya jelasin deh ke kamu tugasnya apa gitu ya. Good. Delta. Oke, number 8. Rambut saya udah gondrong nih. Katanya kemudian cut your hair this afternoon. Artinya the woman suggests the man to having
His
his
haircut.
Bravo.
Oh.
Ya. Bravo. Very good. Number 9. Are you sure about what he's talking about? Kemudian tadi perempuannya jawab, I'm not sure about what he's talking about. It means that not sure, it means that doubt. Ya, ragu, istilah ragu. Dia ngomong apa? Bravo. Oke. Number 10 is
break comes as its usual time.
Ya, correct. Katanya when the break happen, it's at regular hour. Jadi waktunya seperti biasa kok. Kalau artinya seperti biasa, it mean that Charlie, the break come as it usual time. Ya, Charlie. Okay. So number 1 is Bravo, number 2 Delta, number 3 Delta, number 4 Charlie, number 5 Alpha, number 6 Alpha, number 7 Delta, number 8 Bravo, number 9 Bravo, number 10 Charlie. Oke, siapa yang salah semua?
Salah satu.
Siapa yang salah 2?
Oh, 1.
Salah 3.
Tidak.
Salah 3.
Ya, salah 4? Salah 5? Salah 6? Oke, Ibu dan Bapak, kita akan lanjutkan ke skill 4, tetapi saya beri dulu break ya, karena kita butuh break juga. Ibu dan Bapak mungkin ada yang ke toilet, ada yang apa. Kita break 10 menit ya Ibu dan Bapak, kita akan mulai lagi pada pukul 11:05. Ibu dan Bapak boleh mematikan dulu kameranya, kita akan mulai pukul 11:05. Oke, sampai ketemu Ibu Bapak. Baik, sudah ada Ibu dan Bapak di sini? Sudah ada ya sebagiannya. Nah, alhamdulillah sudah ada. Sudah istirahat tadi mungkin ya, ada sedikit jeda bagi kita untuk refresh juga, mungkin ada yang ke toilet ya, ada yang bisa minum dulu dan lain-lain. Ibu dan Bapak, sekarang kita mulai ke skill 4 ya. Skill 4 talking about passive statement. However, not always the audio consists of passive statement. Sometimes the audio consists of active statement, however, the answers are required in form of passive. Yeah, so it means that there are conclusions about passive statement, about the statement. If the dialogue in the audio contain of passive statement, the answer to the question is often an active statement, not often, always ya, aktif. Jadi selalu kebalikannya. Jadi kalau seumpamanya dialognya itu ada passive statement, maka jawabannya itu aktif. Ya, begitu juga kebalikannya. Kalau terdiri dari statement yang aktif, maka jawabannya itu pasif. Jadi selalu berkebalikan. Nah, memang ini membutuhkan kecermatan dalam kita mendengarkan supaya kita tahu ya apa yang dibutuhkan. Tetapi sebenarnya lagi-lagi ini restatement, tetapi restatementnya yang pasif aktif gitu ya. Jadi tetap skill 1 tetap tergunakan ya, skill 2 juga kadang ada yang digunakan ya, menggunakan not gitu ya, dan skill-skill awal seperti avoid similar sound, kemudian please pay attention to the second line, itu terus digunakan ini dalam TOEFL ya. Nah, kita akan mulai sekarang ke exercise-nya ya. Kita akan mulai ke exercise-nya, mudah-mudahan Ibu dan Bapak sudah ada semuanya di dalam Zoom room ini, sehingga kita bisa mulai mengikuti latihannya ya. Latihannya ini ada di layar Ibu dan Bapak, tetapi juga saya yakin Ibu dan Bapak bisa melihatnya di modul ya. Oke.
In this exercise, listen TOEFL exercise 4. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should pay particular attention to passives. Number 1.
Did the package from your family arrive?
Yes, and I already opened it.
What does the woman mean?
And I already opened it.
D.
Ya.
Ya.
Yes, and I already opened it. Saya sudah membukanya. Berarti
Was open the box from her was open it. Delta.
Delta. Did the package from your family already arrive? Yes, and I already opened it. Artinya the box from her family was open. Sudah dibuka ya. Ya, si package-nya itu, paketnya itu ya. Berarti the correct answer is Delta. However, we can see also here some distractor ya. Ada family just arrived, not the family who arrived. Yang arrive-nya itu yang package-nya ya Ibu ya. Nah, kemudian yang visit the family juga pack to go to visit her family itu maknanya berbeda. Kalau si must pack to go visit her family artinya dia harus packing untuk mengunjungi keluarganya dan bukan itu maknanya. Yang she open the door to greet her family. Dia membuka pintu untuk memberikan salam pada keluarganya. Ya, maknanya juga berbeda dan ini salah ya. The correct answer is Delta. The box from her family was open. The correct answer is Delta. Now, number 2.
Complete report.
Number 2.
How's your report coming along?
It was finished this morning. What does the man imply?
Alpha.
It was finished this morning. Gimana kabar report kamu katanya? It was finished this morning. Udah selesai.
He completed the report.
Artinya Alpha.
Alpha.
He complete the report. Dia sudah menyelesaikan laporannya. Coba kita lihat yang B. He's coming to work on the report. No. Dia akan menyelesaikan reportnya. No, sudah selesai. Kemudian the report is due tomorrow morning. Katanya due date reportnya itu besok. Katanya besok pagi. Enggak ya, salah juga maknanya. Yang Delta, the report still needs an infinite amount of work. Katanya kerjaannya itu laporannya itu masih butuh atau masih harus butuh waktu untuk mengerjakan ya, dan harus banyak ya, amount of work juga salah. The correct answer is Alpha. He completed the work. Very good Ibu Bapak. Okay, now we get into number 3.
Number 3. Why aren't the children in bed now?
Their parents let them stay up.
What does the woman mean?
D. Delta.
The parents, katanya, the parents let they stay late, ya.
Ya.
Katanya, jadi orang tuanya membiarkan anak-anaknya untuk
Oh, iya.
bangun sampai waktu yang larut, gitu. Artinya, the children were allowed to stay.
Stay up.
Jadi mungkin malam ini ya, bukan malam sekolah ya, malam liburan, sehingga nggak apa-apa deh sampai malam gitu ya, begadang sekali-kali katanya ya. The children were allowed to stay up. Ya, kalau yang A, the parents are in bed now, no, they are talking about the children. Nah, the C, the parents stay away from the children, no, itu distractor, ada kata stay-nya ya, padahal stay them to up late gitu ya. Kemudian yang D, the children have gone to bed. No, they still wake up. So the correct answer is Charlie. Okay. Now,
Bravo.
ya. Sorry. Jadi cantik.
Bravo.
Maaf. Bravo, Bu.
Yes.
Bung. Ya, now number 4. Number 4. We hear the audio for number 4.
Number 4.
Why aren't you inside the house?
I lost the key to the front door. What does the man mean?
C.
I lost the key in the
Key was
front door.
closed.
Okay. I lost the key in the front door. Artinya delta. Betul. The key-nya was lost. Tetapi bukan yang E ya. Kalau he got lost, dia yang tersesat ya.
Yang ini aja.
Ya. Kemudian yang B, the door was not in front of the house. Ya di mana lagi ya? Kalau tidak di in front of the house, di samping kan? Yang C, he did not need a key to the door. Salah. Ya. The correct answer is delta. The key was lost. Okay. Very good. Now we get into number 5, Bapak Ibu. 5 and 6. Sorry. Ini dulu saya pindahin ya. Okay. Number 5 and 6.
Number 5.
Where are the flowers that I just picked?
I put them on the
Ibu dan Bapak yang
Noise.
suaranya bisa tolong
Oh,
di-mute.
tolong dong.
Ada Adi tuh kayaknya.
Punten di mute.
Ada di punten
Ada
mute.
Adi.
Punten di mute.
Kalau hostnya juga bisa nge-mute kok, Bu. Dari
Ya,
host.
Itu Pak Nur Fauzi di mute
Siapa
aja,
ya?
Bu. Pak
Nur Fauzi ya.
Ada di-
Nur Fauzi
Iya.
ya.
Ibu bisa mute kalau Ibu hostnya. Ya.
Kayak ada
Ada
lagunya, kalau ada apa-apa proyek gitu.
Kan secara besar-besaran pasti.
Halo.
Proyek tuh, Bu. Live-nya nggak ada ini, nggak ada orang live ya.
Ini saya
Iya,
coba
Pak Dadi ini yang ngobrol.
Bukan, Bu, bukan saya.
Oh, bukan.
Saya
Sorry,
punya
suaranya
proyek,
dari Pak Dadi.
Minta persentase proyeknya ya.
Maaf, Pak Dadi.
Tidak ada ya. Oke. Ibu dan Bapak, karena kita mendengarkan tentang proyek, mudah-mudahan nanti Ibu dan Bapak kecipratan proyeknya ya.
Amin.
Amin.
Bukannya tanggal terakhir buat upload ini ya, upload lab ini, proposal. Besok. Ya. Oke, kita mulai lagi karena tadi agak bising ya. Oke. Number 5.
Number 5.
Where are the flowers that I just picked?
I put them on the dining room table. What does the man mean?
C.
I put on the dining room table. Put on itu
Charlie,
kan
placed.
aktif ya. Berarti
Were placed.
were placed. Kalau aktif
The
dari yang
flowers
pasif yang artinya sama. Put on
Put
artinya were
were
placed
placed.
on the table on the dining room ya. Ini banyak distractornya, tetapi kalau kita melihat makna the correct would be Charlie ya. Lihat yang A, he pick out some flower wallpaper for the dining room. Enggak, ini flowernya wallpapernya yang gambarnya flower ya. Kemudian yang Bravo, the dining room table was flowers painted on it. No, katanya ya. Tapi yang benar itu saya sudah mengambil bunga dan bunganya disimpan di table on the dining room ya. Kemudian yang di the flowers were ground in the dining room. It is impossible ya, nggak mungkin ya. Jadi the correct answer is Charlie. Oke. Okay, good, very good. Now we get into number 6, Ibu dan Bapak.
Number 6. Martha, what's the matter? You look upset.
I just noticed that my purse was stolen.
What does the woman mean?
Delta.
I just
Purpose.
Okay, I just realized, I just noticed that my purse was stolen. My purse was stolen. Dompet saya dicuri. Sekarang kita cari yang aktif, yang seseorang mencuri. Someone took her purse. Someone took her purse. Kalau A, nothing is really matter. No, because Martha bilang I'm so upset katanya. Saya kesel banget katanya. Seseorang mencuri ya. Dompet saya dicuri. Kemudian she stole some money. No, exactly. It is the opposite situation ya. Bukan dia mencuri tapi dia dicuri ya dompetnya. Yang she left her purse in the store. Dia meninggalkan dompetnya di toko. Enggak juga. Tetapi the correct answer is delta. Someone took her purse. Oke, jadi seseorang mengambil dompetnya. The correct answer is delta. Oke, now we get into number 7 and 8. Oke, number 7 and 8.
Number 7.
Would you like to pick up one of my pet snakes?
No, thanks. They frighten me more than a little.
What does the man mean?
He frightens the snakes.
Do you like to take blah blah blah? No, gitu ya katanya.
Frightens, yeah.
Dia itu takut ya, bahkan ini yang lebih kecil ya. Yang mana? Berarti
he frightens the snake.
He's quite scared, or he like her pet. Dia suka nggak sama petnya? Nggak ya? No. He would like to pick up a little snake.
No, even little snake he scared.
Yeah, he's scared to even the little snake ya. Jadi he frightens
the snakes.
Dia itu takut sama ularnya ya. Ular yang besar takut, yang kecil juga ternyata lebih galak ya. Jadi he frightens the snakes ya. Oke. Or he quite scared ya. Oke, now number 8. Oh, sudah jalan.
Number 8.
Did you get the project done as I asked?
I followed your directions to the letter.
What does the woman mean?
Instruction were followed exactly.
I followed the direction.
Yeah.
I follow the direction. I follow your direction. Yeah. I follow your direction. It means that
were followed exactly. Instruction were followed exactly.
Yang mana? Instruction
Bravo.
follow exactly. Jadi
Exactly.
semua apa ya? Semua petunjuk yang
Petunjuk
dikemukakan
diikuti.
dari laki-lakinya itu diikuti.
Turuti.
Ya, diikuti. Ibu dan Bapak, saya tadi ini yang C ya, yang C saya kayaknya itu bukan delta ya, tapi alpha ya. He quite scared to the little or to the big snake. Jadi dia tuh takut, yang gede takut, yang kecil takut. Jadi benar-benar ketakutan. Jadi the correct answer is alpha, bukan yang delta. Nah, kalau yang B betul, instruction were follow exactly because I follow all your direction. Artinya semua petunjuknya diikuti. Jadi yang saya ralat yang 7 itu adalah alpha. He's quite scared because he's afraid of big and little snake. Number
What the
8
meaning of
is
quiet, Miss? What the meaning of
sangat.
quiet here? Sangat.
Ini sangat. Ya, karena sangat quiet ini maknanya ada 2, ada quiet diam, ada quiet sangat. I'm quite he's a very quiet important person. Dia itu orang yang sangat penting gitu. Tapi I'm very quiet here in the classroom. Saya di sini diam-diam banget gitu ya. Itu artinya ada 2. Nah, ya. Seperti kata well ya. Well, kalau I'm feeling very well today. Well-nya di situ berarti sehat. Tetapi seumpamanya I have to take some water from the well. Well di situ artinya sumur gitu ya. Jadi ada 2 makna. Baik. Ibu dan Bapak, kita lanjutkan nomor 9 dan 10. Wait a second.
Number 9.
Do we have time to play some tennis now?
No, it's time to cook supper. What does the man mean?
Okay. No, it's time to cook supper. Ya, supper. Supper itu artinya hampir sama dengan makan malam, tapi lebih malam ya. Kalau dinner itu biasanya jam 7-an, kalau supper itu biasanya malam.
Lebih malam.
Dinner needs to be prepared.
Ya. Berarti yang mana?
Delta.
Dinner needs
to be prepared. Ya, tetapi di sini banyak sekali distractor ya. Kalau super itu artinya hebat, luar biasa, tapi kalau supper P-nya 2. Ya, yang A itu penulisan suppernya sudah betul, tetapi maknanya salah. They can cook supper in no time. No, they have to immediately cook supper. Katanya we have to prepare the supper. Yang B, he doesn't know how to play tennis. No. The man know how to play tennis. However, he need to prepare the supper. The supper means the dinner, but it is a late dinner. Yeah. So the correct answer is delta.
Dinner needs to.
Okay. Now number 10.
Number 10. Why aren't we having the exam tomorrow?
The date of the exam has changed.
What does the woman imply?
The day of the exam has changed. The day of the exam
to another
has
day.
changed. Berarti they have no to change. The professor
move
to
exam to another
day.
Oke, katanya emang kenapa sih kok nggak ujian? Ya karena ujiannya dirubah waktunya gitu ya. The exam is really tomorrow? No. Yang B, there was a change in content of the content maybe still the same. However, the schedule that is change. Ya, yang berubah itu jadwalnya. The professor moved the exam to another day. It is the correct answer. Ya, kalau yang D, they have to change their plans for tomorrow. No, they did not change the plan. But the schedule of the exam are change ya. Nah, Ibu dan Bapak, kalau seumpamanya nanti Ibu dan Bapak menemukan banyak sekali kata profesor di dalam TOEFL conversation, ya, itu bukan berarti semua dosen di sana sudah profesor. However, when we go to England or the United States, all the lecturers are called as professor. Nah, jadi di sini Pak Malki sudah profesor, Pak Dadan sudah profesor, Ibu Mutia sudah profesor juga kalau pindah. Karena di sini kalau jadi profesor tuh luar biasa ya, aham gitu ya. lamanya tuh banget gitu ya. Mudah-mudahan ya, mudah-mudahan
Asisten
diberi.
profesor, Bu.
Gimana Pak? Asisten
Mungkin-
profesor?
Iya, asisten profesor atau associate profesor.
Betul, asisten profesor atau associate profesor ya.
Iya, iya.
Itu ada yang gelarnya seperti itu juga ya Pak, tidak semua profesor ya. Tetapi kalau di kita biasanya gelar associate profesor itu tidak ini ya, tidak digunakan. Kita kalau associate profesor, lektor kepala sudah associate profesor ya.
Iya, iya.
Iya,
Ya, mungkin kalau profesor penuhnya itu aduh luar biasa ya. Luar biasa, sekali gitu ya. Mudah-mudahan lah diberikan kesempatan, diberikan rezeki, diberikan banyak hal agar bisa menjadi profesor kita semua.
Amin.
Amin.
Baik, Ibu dan Bapak, sekarang coba kita masuk ke TOEFL review exercise, but we will combine the exercise from exercise 1 until exercise 4. Ya, tapi di sini saya tidak menuliskannya di dalam PowerPoint, tetapi Ibu dan Bapak dapat menemukannya di modul di halaman 7, Ibu dan Bapak. Ya, ada di halaman 7, sudah ketemu page 7, TOEFL review exercise, skill 1 until 4. I think we have to be a little quick so that we can finish all the listening skill today. Jadi seperti yang tadi, yang TOEFL review exercise ini akan kita lakukan langsung dari nomor 1 sampai nomor 10, baru kemudian nanti di akhir kita akan bahas jawaban yang benarnya. Itu ya. Baik, Ibu dan Bapak, silakan persiapkan diri sambil saya mencari dulu audio yang akan digunakan di TOEFL review exercise. Oke.
TOEFL review
Baik, Ibu dan Bapak siap? Ya? Sudah siapkan pulpennya, alat tulisnya? Siap ya? Oke. Kita akan mulai TOEFL review exercise skill 1 until skill 4.
exercise, skills 1 through 4.
Sorry.
TOEFL review exercise, skills 1 through 4. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
Do you want to go out in the sailboat today?
Oh, it's too windy.
What does the woman mean? Number 2. I have a bad headache.
Why don't you take some aspirin?
What does the woman suggest to the man? Number 3.
When is the park open?
It's open from sunrise to sunset each day. What does the man mean? Number 4. Did Steve pay for his part of the meal?
Yes, he handed me $5.
What does the woman mean? Number 5.
Did you do well on the math problem?
In fact, I was completely incorrect.
What does the man mean? Number 6.
Is the washing machine still broken?
No, I fixed it this morning.
What does the man mean? Number 7. I couldn't get registered in the algebra course that I wanted.
Why don't you take it next semester?
What does the woman suggest? Number 8.
You don't want me to walk in the kitchen now?
No, I just washed the floor and it's still wet.
What does the man say about the floor? Number 9.
Is there enough food for everyone at the party?
You can relax. Everyone has enough to eat.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
Did everyone know about the meeting?
Yes, I informed everyone.
What does the man mean?
Yeay. Baik, Ibu dan Bapak, mari kita diskusikan jawaban yang sudah Ibu Bapak berikan. Wait a second. Terhadap soal review exercise skill 1 until 4. Wait a second ya, saya pindahin. Oke, number 1, katanya it's too windy. Ya, tadi pembicara keduanya bilang it's too windy. Anginnya tuh terlalu besar. Bahasa Sundanya apa tuh kalau anginnya terlalu besar ya?
Gelebug sih.
Menggelebug sebenarnya. Menggelebug gitu ya. Too windy. So it mean that apa? Kalau windy?
Weather
is
not
Angin.
Good, very good. The weather is not very calm. Because it is very danger if we have to go to sail if the weather is too windy ya the weather is not very calm. Jadi the correct answer is bravo ya. Jadi anginnya terlalu besar ya, tidak bagus itu ya. Oke, number 2,
taking some medication.
yeah, I have a very bad headache katanya. Kemudian take some aspirin. It means that Charlie
Taking some
medication.
yeah, taking some medication ya, bukan some meditation tapi some medication. Ya, begitu. Ya, ini yang lainnya adalah salah ya. Aspirin is to greater achievement, no. Moving his head, no. Taking two heads with him juga no. Tetapi take some aspirin mean taking some medication to ease the bad headache. Okay, number 3, katanya the
park is open all day long.
Park is open from sunrise to sunset. Jadi dari terbit matahari sampai tenggelam matahari itu terus ya parknya
all day long.
Artinya the park is open all day long. Okay, good, very good. Berarti delta. Ya, oke. Now number 4. Katanya si Steve itu bayar kayak ngasih uang nggak waktu pas makan katanya. Yes, he handed me $5. It mean that
She was given.
he was given some
Kan Steve tuh lah.
Dia sinya itu ke perempuan bahwa she was given
diberi ya negatif ya.
By siapa? By Steve.
By Steve.
Nah, jadi dia dikasih uang sama si Steve. Ya, cuma di sini by Steve-nya itu tidak ada keterangan itu, tapi she was given some money. Dia dikasih uang oleh Steve itu. Oke. Delta. Now number 5. In fact, I was completely katanya ya.
He corrected
Totally wrong.
Artinya he was totally wrong. Charlie. Ya, semuanya salah katanya gitu ya. Kayaknya ini kurang tidur jadinya agak tidak fokus ya. Oke. Now katanya si yang number 6 itu mesin cuci repair. Nah, good. No, I fix the machine this morning. katanya.
Was repaired.
Ya,
Washing machine was
udah
repaired.
dibenerin belum? Ya, mesin cucinya masih rusak nggak? Enggak, saya udah benerin pagi ini. Artinya the washing machine was
Yes,
repaired. Oke, good, very good. Berarti jawabannya itu yang alpha. Kalau yang B, he washed some clothes this morning. No, distractornya morning ya. He broke some dishes while he was washing
No.
them. Enggak. Ya. Kemudian yang D, the washing machine needs to be fixed. No, because it is already fixed this morning. The correct answer is alpha. Okay. Now number 7.
Enrolling.
Preparing course next
Ya.
semester.
Katanya udah aja kamu ngambil aljabar aljabar semester depan katanya. It means that the woman suggested to enrolling the course
Later.
enrolling the course later. Tidak registering the algebra immediately, no, karena udah telat. Finding another school, no. Masa suruh cari sekolah lain, enggak, tapi ikut aja deh di semester depan gitu ya, atau di tahun depan biasanya ya. Daftar lagi. Enrolling in the course later ya, mengikutinya di berikutnya, di waktu berikutnya. Repeating the course next semester. No, not repeating, but enrolling in the later ya. Jadi biasanya kan nggak di semester nggak berkelanjutan ya, tetapi tahun depannya. Oke, very good. Now number 8, ini jadi nomor 7 jawabannya C ya, Ibu Bapak. Kemudian number 8 katanya I just washed the floor. It's still wet. Wet berarti sinonim apa namanya negatifnya? Oke. It's not dry. Berarti bravo. Ya, bravo ya. Oke, number 1 katanya apa? Number 9. The
amount of food is adequate.
Ya.
Cukup tenang lah, cukup lah makanan.
Ya, cukup lah, tenang aja. Aduh, ini gimana nih makanannya nih? Katanya kayaknya waktu pas botram kurang makanannya. Enggak, tenang aja, makanannya cukup katanya. The amount of food is adequate. Adequate itu sinonimnya adalah enough. Ya, good. Charlie. Number 10, the meeting, number 10 katanya, yes, I inform everyone.
No one was uninformed
Okay. No one was uninformed. Ya, berarti ini ada double negatif. Ya, oke. Saya ulang. Number 1 is Bravo. Number 2 is Charlie. Number 3 is Delta. Number 4 Delta. Number 5 Charlie. Number 6 Alpha. Number 7 Charlie. Number 8 Bravo. Number 9 Charlie. Number 10 Delta. Oke. Siapa yang benar semua? Oke. Siapa yang salah satu?
Salah 4.
Ya, oke. Salah 1, salah 4. Oke, good, very good. Salah 2. Salah 3, ada salah 3? Ya.
Salah 6.
Kalau yang
Bu, punten waktunya, Bu.
gimana?
Waktunya sampai 11.30 ya.
Oh iya, waktunya sampai 11.30 harusnya, tapi tadinya saya mau bayar utang. Seumpamanya Ibu. tapi gini, saya tuh kemarin bayar utang karena kemarin saya